I am calling on all of my pet lovers today. This video is for you. If you love your dog, if you love little Barquise, and yes, I know somebody with a dog named Barquise, this video is going to help you turn your love for your pet into some cash. Yes, because we love our dogs, we love all the things, but how about we make a little bit of money this summer so that we can turn our passion into a little paper? Is anybody with me? All right. So first things first, we are going to sign up for Printify, my print-on-demand partners. Now listen, I talk about Printify all the time because I see that a lot of you have been watching my videos. You have started your brands. You are making money. So if it's working, I want to help more people make this work for you. We all can use a little extra money. Hello? So if you don't already have a Printify account, comment Printify. I will send you my link and you can sign up today. It's not going to cost you anything. You don't need a credit card to sign up. They are a print-on-demand company, which means that they are going to basically be your virtual warehouse. They're going to print, pack, and ship all of your items for you, and then you can focus on getting your customers to come buy from you, right? So this is for some of you who are like, I've been wanting to do this for years. I want to sell something, but I just don't know where to get it from. I don't know how much it's going to cost. I don't know what I'm going to sell. I don't know how to design. Like, I don't have the money for this. If any of these things have held you back from getting started, I'm gonna help you get out your own way. So comment Printify right now. And as you will see, I am logged into my Printify account right now, one of them at least. And I'm gonna show you how to create a pet merch brand because other people love their pets too. So what you're gonna do is click the three lines. That is your menu. You're gonna go to catalog. And then you're going to scroll down and go to accessories. Now, Printify has over 1,000 products, all right? So it's not just pet stuff. They have a lot of stuff. So scroll around, see what you like. But specifically today, we're going to do pets, all right? So as you can see, pets. Click that. And we have a clip-on bandana. We have food mats. We have tank top. We got a trucker hat. That dog got the trucker hat. We got beds, we have pet collars, we have all kind of cute stuff. So all of the viral pets on TikTok, you can be dressing them. What? All right, so I'm just gonna click something so that we can create it together. Let's do the pet feeding mat that's shaped like a bone because it's so cute. So we're gonna hit start designing. And then to the left, you will see variants. That means your sizes and your colors. So right now it's white. You can leave it there. If you have a little Barquise, a little boy dog, maybe black, brown, you know, that's if you're into the gender colors. I don't want to assume pink. Now, let me tell you something about the dogs that go viral, some of them on TikTok and Instagram, and they're like super girly and they're for the girls. You can have a whole brand about that. All right. So if you know me, you know I love pink too. So I make everything pink. So I'm going to do something different today. Let's do a little blue. Right. So as you can see, this little plus sign that is flashing, we're going to hit that. Now you can create a design inside of Canva. And that way, because some of you do ask me this, if you want to go from like Printify to a different place and upload your designs or print it out yourself. Let's say you go to a dog conference and you need to print it out yourself. Then you will have your design saved and you can use it everywhere. So if you want to keep using your design, create it in Canva or get somebody to do it for you. You can use Fiverr or a place like that. If you just want to hurry up and start making money today, then you can do it inside of here. All right. So you can use AI. It's already built in. If you do have a design somewhere else, you can use my device or you can just put text on there. Like if you want to personalize, if you want to personalize some stuff for people and they can put their own dog's name on there, like Barquise or like Girl Plus God. If I wanted to put that on a little cute dog, you can personalize. And I'm going to show you how to do that also. But for right now, look, they got templates for us or you can type it yourself. So I'm just going to put, this is a feeding situation. Oh, so maybe I should have done that for, okay, I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back because I got an idea. So I'm going to go back. All right, so I'm going to go and get the pet bed. Okay, I'm gonna get the pet bed. I'm gonna go to start designing, variants again. I'm gonna select the blue and I'm gonna hit the plus sign again. I'm going to text again and I'm gonna hit this Sweet Dreams. Okay, it's already made for us. Now, if I was on my computer, I would make all of this much bigger. But for the sake of the video, you see where I'm going here, right? And you can play around with it, do some different things. I'm just gonna go ahead and save it. All right, so let's save. And then as you can see, here is your pillow. Here are your mock-ups, so you can save these, put these on Instagram, put these on Facebook, send them to your friends and family. Like, look, I got a new pet brand. It's called Paw Paws. I'm just making something up for you. But this is so cute. Save. All right, this is so cute. And I actually thought I wanted it to be much bigger, but I'm not mad at the little Sweet Dreams being that little. Now look, Printify already got the AI built in here too, okay? So they already have Sweet Dreams pet bed. They created it for you. They already have the description. Look at all this. They're telling people how to take care of it, what it is, and you can obviously go in there and you can edit this. And then look, all you gotta do is hit enable personalization and then people can come and they can put Sweet Dreams Barquise, Sweet Dreams Charles, you know, because some people, their dogs just have regular names. All right, and so then you would come over here and you would change the price if you want. They have a price already here. I'm just gonna change it. Okay. So yeah, they'll help you optimize it. And then publish settings. So this is the fun part. You're going to connect the store. So Printify is like your virtual warehouse. They're going to get all of your pet stuff to your customers on your behalf. So it's going to have your business name on it. It's going to say your name. It is going to have like your logo and stuff, your message to your customers. Thank you so much for shopping. People won't know that Printify exists. All right, all they know is that they got some new really cool stuff from you and they are excited. So you can launch a Printify pop-up store today. I have a ton of videos about how to create a pop-up store in less than 10 minutes, all right? So you can create this today. You don't even need any money to get started right now. Printify will pay you every month. So every time somebody comes and gets their merch, Printify will ship it and then they'll pay you every month, all right? But Etsy, you got a lot of dog lovers on Etsy looking for cute little personalized stuff. And then TikTok shop, like the viral dog I just showed you, lots of little dogs and cats and things going on TikTok. So TikTok shop would actually really love this. So all you're gonna do is click the black buttons to connect your store. Once you hit it, then with like the Printify pop-up shop or pop-up store, it will walk you through how to get it set up. So yes, it is possible for you, even if you have never designed anything, if you have never sold anything, and if you're like, I've been wanting to do this, but I have no idea what to do. Here is an idea for you, for my pet lovers. Even if you don't love pets, you can still do it for the pet lovers. All right, so ask me all of your questions. What do you want to know about Printify? What do you want to know about creating a new pet merch brand? I got you in the comment section. Meet me there, and I'll see you in the next video.